Imagine hitting the gas pedal to pass a slow truck, but instead of a surge of power, your car feels like it just woke up from a nap and refuses to move faster. That terrifying loss of acceleration is often what we call limp mode, and it is a classic symptom of code P0238. This code is all about your turbocharger or supercharger boost sensor on circuit A reading high. Whether you're driving a VW, a Dodge, or a Jeep, the concept is the same. Your engine computer, the PCM, needs to know exactly how much pressure the turbo is pushing into the engine. It uses a boost sensor that acts like a variable resistor. When there's low boost, the sensor sends back a low volt, usually around 0.5 volts. When the turbo is screaming and building max pressure, that voltage goes up to about 4.5 volts. Here's where the trouble starts. This code sets when the computer sees a voltage higher than 4 volts, when it knows there should be zero boost, like when you're idling or just cruising lightly. It thinks the sensor is lying or broken, so to protect your engine from blowing up, it cuts the power. Before you replace the sensor, you need to be a detect. Start by checking for Technical Service Bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific car. Sometimes manufacturers release a software update that fixes this glitch without you getting your hands dirty. If there are no updates, try the wiggle test. With the engine running, find the wiring harness going to that boost sensor and give it a gentle wiggle. If the engine tone changes or the code pops up right then, you have found a loose connection or broken wire. If the wiring looks solid, you'll need a digital volt-ohm meter. With the key on but the engine off, unplug the sensor and check for 5 volts coming from the computer. If you have 5 volts there, plug it back in and back probe the signal wire. It should read about 0.5 volts. If it's stuck reading high, your sensor's likely toast.